Merhaba. Salam, salam.
Good books.
Good books.
Your name?
Ali.
Ali. How long you sell?
Me? This? Oh, I think nearly about 50 years ago. More than that. By Shikara. I have also in home product. This is my home product.
Who makes the books?
It's my uncle, father, brother, cousin, my wife.
This wood?
No, this is paper mache. And there is paper mache is like rice water, paper and white cloth in the mix. Is after made in the wooden boxes I put in outside. After putting sunshine, it's going dry. After you put white cut, when you go dry, then you put sa like mold inside, boxes inside, and glue everywhere. Put after tissue paper, no crack. After put colors, different color. There is a stone color. There is some is selling here in the bottle colors. I don't make like that. I make a 13 color, 15 color mix. After I painting finish, put the gold. And gold finish, put the lacquer. Lacquer. After maybe 3 days in my home, after I put in my shikara, I go to board by board, I sell. That is.